Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Today I am going to show you how to make ninja mask using only one black t-shirt, because ninjas are the best.
Excuse me, young man, I think that you'll find that wizards are better than ninjas.
No. Ninjas are the best.
No, wizards are better. No doubt about it.
No, ninjas are way better than wizards.
You young rapscallion! Wizards are better!
Anyway, so first you take black t-shirt like this. Can be any size. You put your head through like this till the collar is around your head, and then you take your two little arms and tie them behind your head like this. Now take the bottom up so you have an eye sock and tuck these two bits in. There you have your excellent ninja mask, and you can become the knight and disappear.
You know that Vikings are better than ninjas and wizards, right?